Said I remember when we used to sit in the government's yard in Trenchtown.
Hello world, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lane, also known as the Happy
guys,
Jamaican, and as always it is a pleasure to have you here. If you are new here, please feel more than welcome to just hit that subscribe button, like the video, and you can leave a comment if you'd like, because I don't know, it's very refreshing to interact with you guys. And if you've been here from the jump, from the first bush ashore, then you know you make this face what it is. You know you make this face what it is. You know. So, welcome back, my friends. And today is the place is so hot. I burn up. And then we forgot the beach. The beach is... I'm just run up and down. In the banana walk. And just make the water stay back. Essence of beauty and magic, you often find them in the simple things in life. So me just throwing on a bathing suit and running around the sprinklers and having fun and enjoying the sunshine shows you just how priceless life is. And let me tell you, I was feeling myself in the swimsuit. Let me repeat that. I was feeling myself in this swimsuit. I bought this from ASOS. They're not sponsoring me or anything, but this is worth a shout out because they have really great quality. I do try to get most of my stuff from ASOS, but sometimes they're a bit pricey. But I always say better buy one good thing for $100 than for buy 5 or 6 look thing for $20, and then you don't really get the quality and proper usage of it, because 3-4 wear the tread reload. So I'm always, and I never used to stay so, I used to love the cheap and clean, but then you'd realize that cheap and clean take enough money if you really add it up. But when you just go for that one item that you know makes sense, and the thread them stand up firm like the Rock of Gibraltar. Look at that bathing suit on me, man. Ooh, damn girl. So when you buy something that you know it's quality stuff, it's going to last you a while. Like you rinse and repeat till judgment come. So yeah, ASOS swimsuit. But yeah, like I said, guys, I just went in the sprinklers, run around, had fun, I relaxed. I didn't get most of the footage on camera because it was really a relaxing day. I was living my best country life. So don't be afraid to just go out in the sunshine, go out in nature. You don't have to wait on the grand, big adventures. You don't have to wait until somebody say, hey, we're going to so and so. It can be just a small little day in your backyard with 2 beers. You just buy some chips or watch a movie. So anything at all. But the importance is take those little minuscule moments and make them big. A jelly would I top it off right now, the seal deal, but looking in the tree, nah see none. The one the mommy I see, them either young, like them either super young, or them can definitely tell that them a coconut, which means that the water go kinda ashy. Sometimes you just gotta make do with what you have in life, you know. I never met a pretty girl from Joburg, see me now, and that's what they prefer. I'm getting old. Give me a warm time. Why? As I'm elbow dry. Damn. Yeah, them braid here. Give me a very warm time. If this now, every minute, the little curly hair tangle up in one of these, same thing. Or because these are so long, sometimes you accidentally sit on them. But so yeah, we just chill on the farm. Nothing extra, nothing too big, nothing too tough, but a time was still hard, because that's life. You find the magic wherever you look for it, and you find chaos wherever you look for it. So be very careful what you look for in life. Yet also, I had every intention of setting up the hammock and just relaxing, but time go by so fast. Me did I relax. Just one of those things. Time goes by when you're having fun. So there's such beauty in simplicity, you know. So I encourage everybody to get outside, take some sunshine, and enjoy life. Where's Jamie?
Hey, little darling, don't shed no tears. No woman, no cry. Said I remember when we used to sit in the government's yard.